Okay, I'm sorry. At this time, I was late, 3 minutes. Uh, my apologies. My name is Brian. I'm the coach and one of the coaches and mentors of the Hunters Group. Um, ang gagawin natin dito is to look for some trade ideas and guidance as far as what I see. So this is all personal view of things. Um, At this moment in time, I'll go over some disclaimers. This is not financial advice. Anything that we're going to be looking at the screen or whatever I will show is more of a personal look at the markets. So, what's the Hunters Group? We're a mentoring group. We're guiding people on how to trade. Okay, how to trade, and it's not just intra trade or intraday trading. It's not just signals. It's about ang bawat isa sa mga members namin were actually guiding on how to take trades but on them on themselves on their own. So at this um, sa mga ginagawa namin, we're looking for trade ideas, and then we're defining styles para sa mga members. Ano ba yung magiging komportable sila? It's not just one strategy. It's multiple strategies. For me personally, I do price action and I do retracement trading. Sa mga hindi nakakaalam nun, that's something you can search on Google. Pero at the end of the day, if you really want to learn things, you have to invest in items. We offer our services. Okay? We'll go ahead and I'll go ahead and plug in a promotion that I'm doing. I'm looking for 100 subscribers sa YouTube channel na to. The first 100 gets in a raffle. Okay? So first 100. After we hit the 100 subscriber, I'm gonna raffle off a free mentoring membership. Okay, it's a lifetime membership. Also, we have an ongoing promo for referrals. So it's buy two get one free. So if tingin nyo at this point medyo mahal yung membership, maybe look for another two na magpupul ng money, and then the three of you can get in. So at this moment in time, pricing varies. No, actually pricing hasn't increased. Sa look at the description for the admin and the coaches na pwede nyong kontakin for the pricing. Now, let's go over some items. Review. Ano bang ginawa ng Bitcoin? Anong ginawa ng BNB? Anong ginawa ng Ethereum? Nothing. It's a consolidating market. Wala pang decision if there's more buyers or sellers for Bitcoin. I'll show you a coin na tinitingnan ko as of November 10. It showed strength and it has not proven me wrong. Ganun lang naman sa trading. There's an idea. If your idea works, then you're good. You're gonna make money. If your idea does not work, there's money risked. Yun yung sinasabi nila, the market is risky. Kasi ang mentality ng mga tao is hindi naka-gear towards trading. Okay? Pero alam nila yung business. It's the same. You put in capital and you're probably gonna take a loss. Pero if you're doing good, if you're doing this right, if you're learning it beforehand, if you have a strategy that works, then you're gonna make money. This is a skill na highly profitable, highly lucrative. So let's go over Bitcoin. Anong kailangan natin sa Bitcoin? This is all technical analysis. I'm not gonna plug in any fundamental analysis other than the one that I did last week, which is tapos na yung November, and now we're on December. And December is kind of a low trading volume month because it's the end of the year. So most banks and institutions, most hedge funds, they're either trying to get out of their positions that are losing so they can prepare for tax season, or they're reshuffling and already entering their trades, and yun yung mahahanapin natin. For Bitcoin, there's really nothing to do. So if you see this range ng 18,574.9 and 15,443.2, sa mga nakakaalam na ng trend, we're on a sideways trend. What happens in a sideways trend? It's a lot of choppy motion. It's a lot of ups and downs. And what you can do if you're really looking for a trade, and don't force this, kailangan mo ng style to capture the lower portion ng range na to and then sell it high, okay? Or sell it high and then buy low. That's shorting. Okay? If you're looking for a long position, I would say personally, I'm looking at 158818, sorry. 15818 area for BTC. For short position, at this time, I'm really not seeing anything other than 18225. This is a 2-hour time frame, so this can turn into an intraday trade. This is a higher look at the markets. Did we miss out on some trades? Probably dito sa area na to. If I didn't give this out or if no one caught this, yeah, we missed that. That's ang ganda nun sa nung price, 17,250 area. I would not take that trade again. As I mentioned, we're on a sideways market. Hindi ko gugustuhin na mag-re-entry. That's my personal item. Sa mga members namin, we teach them to make a trade plan. So hindi kayo nai-stress sa mga ginagawa nyo. Just follow the trade plan and that's all it is. Kapag nasanay kayo sa ginagawa nyo, it comes as a second nature. Oh, wow. Ethereum just whipped out my area sa 30-minute. And ito yun. This is a choppy motion. Meron ako nakita dito na buy area. This was not here last night. So what have I been doing with Ethereum? Ethereum, the same thing. I'm looking for a breakout. Now let's go out higher. Ethereum's range is this 1071 and 1350. What I want Ethereum to do is either break out up or break down. Pero at this time, ito na yung next resistance. The higher resistance is being tested right now. So it's a lot of waiting game for Ethereum. Is this gonna drop and cancel all of this uptrend? May maliit siyang uptrend, mini uptrend. Or is this gonna break down? I'm sorry, is it gonna break down and cancel this uptrend? Or is it gonna actually withhold yung uptrend na matagal ko nang tinitignan? If this holds up, it has to test this resistance and break out. Dalawang resistance to. This is actually a combined area. It's pretty scary. Ang dami niyang resistances na pagdadaanan. Pero the good portion is it's creating an uptrend. If this uptrend holds and breaks this first resistance, then that's a sign of buying. Trade ideas, 2-hour time frame. Again, this can turn into a swing trade, meaning it could potentially go into a day trade or multiple days. So, kunwari nag-entry ka ngayon and then the targets or the idea could work out maybe 3-4 days to 5 days to a week. Paano ko nasabi yung ganun? Kasi it's a 2-hour time frame, meaning per data, per candle, it's gonna take 2 hours to form. So if this idea works and let's say 1, 2, 3, so to a 5 to 1 trade, I need 2 hours it needs 2 hours per candle, and then ang target ko dito right now is around 1240. So 30 30 points. 30 points siya. Ano ba ang ATR natin dito? Ang ATR natin dito is around 10. Okay? So that's gonna be 3 candles bullish with the ATR showing me sa 2-hour time frame. So sa 2-hour time frame na yon times 3, that's 6 hours at least. Okay? Hindi ko sasabing that's what it's gonna take. Pero yun yung isasabi sa akin ng data. So first buy for Ethereum, I'm looking at 12.12. A second buy for Ethereum would be the bottom support para sa uptrend na nag-form na to. So 1175, somewhere around that area. Confirmation trade sa 1094 area, and then shorting areas, nothing near this. Itong candle na to, napaka-wiki niya. So I'm guessing that's a setup, a trap na ginawa at some point during a report time. Okay, we're gonna go over the reports later kung anong mga reports ang expected. BNB, nothing happening with BNB. Again, trading in a range. So it's not any different. Medyo nabago yung range niya sa lower time frame, pero intraday, this is BNB's range now. There's no uptrend, there's no downtrend. So kasi kung i-consider ko to as a downtrend, it already broke. Kung i-consider ko yan as a downtrend, it already broke by wick to. So coin toss pa rin. Ayoko na nakakita ng wick break sa mga trend. Ang gusto ko nakikita is clean close. Kapag hindi yun nangyayari, medyo mas mahirap siyang tignan. Kasi there's a weakness into confirmation of trend by wick. Now, this area looks interesting. Combined area to 67.80. Second area, this is out of nowhere. So I'd be careful about this around 274.6, so 275 as far as buying ideas. And then if it works, that actually is a trap idea. Itong first area na to, this turns into a trap idea. If this works, we can have a nice profit potential. Currently, the first is 284. Okay, being conservative about this. If I were to be aggressive about this, second target is 300. So 274 to 300. You do the math. Ang problema ko kasi sa crypto is right now yung mga platforms na ginagamit outside of the US, nagagalaw yung leverage. So leverage and margin changes. Ang margin is based on your account capital, by the way. So yung margin nyo, let's say may $1,000 ka or $100 or $10 and you leverage that by 100 or 200 or 1,000 or 125 or 10. So depende sa gagawin yung leverage, magbabago yung margin. The reason behind that is lumalaki yung buying power nyo by leverage. Okay? It doesn't necessarily mean maganda yun para sa inyo. You have to know na higher leverage means higher fees. Kasi mas marami yung position. So baka mas matagal ng break even nyo. So just keep that in mind. If you do leverage, try and keep it as close to your account as possible. Dito sa US, ang mga leverage it starts at 2 to 1. 2 to 1, 5 to 1, 10 to 1, 50 to 1. Sa mga tinatrade ko, believe ang leverage namin is 4 to 1. Ang tinatrade ko is Nasdaq. I'm more into the US futures personally. I do some crypto, I do stocks. If I do stocks, it's going to be swing trading. All right. Well, before I go into it, let's go into some reporting. Okay. Reporting for this week. Anong ginagawa ng markets for Monday? This is Eastern Standard Time. Nakikita nyo, Monday is 10 a.m. US time, EST. If you go sa Philippines and you change yung if you change the time zone, makikita nyo kung ano yung exact time na to. So just click on that right section right there. 10 a.m. PMI. So mga naka-experience na ng trading during that report, 10 a.m. Definitely there's gonna be some extreme volatility, lalo na napaka-touchy ng markets ngayon sa mga reports. Some reports are meant to be setups though. So we'll see Monday. It's gonna be interesting to see that. 10:30 p.m. apparently Australian dollar is gonna release their cash rate. That's gonna fluctuate the markets, lalo na para sa ForEx traders. Then we have on Tuesday Australian dollar again, GDP. Yes, I'm only looking at the red folders or orange folders. Yung mga yan ang nagki-create ng volatility sa markets. Hindi naman hindi naman random. It's all scheduled. So sa mga hindi nakakaalam nun, you're welcome. Sa mga nakakaalam nun, just be prepared, just be on the lookout, just trade your plan. Plan your trades and trade your plan. Now let's look at EURUSD. EURUSD, I mentioned na na-miss na natin yung trade na yun. So what's EURUSD doing is it's actually creating a detached uptrend. So this was initially the trend na tinitingnan ko that it actually is honoring. Now my problem is it's forming a detached uptrend. Anong meaning nun? It means na uptrend to, okay? Old school ako mag-trend. I actually use trend lines. And uptrend din to. Again, that wick break. Pero I'm liking this. I'm liking this. So, this time, saan ako buyer? Inside this trend. This is late. Again, that's late. Unfortunately, I have to wait for a couple of days on this probably. Pero if it does break down lower, I'm okay buying here. 10.3333 or 1.033333. Again, depende sa margin and leverage ng platform nyo. If you're using MT4, I believe you can have times 50 leverage. Pwede nyong tawagan yung customer service as one of our members did. And again, sa mga bago, don't take this in a live account. Please do your research first. Create your knowledge base and then start trading in a demo account. MT4 gives out free demo accounts. Wala kayong babayaran pag download ng platform and everything else. So MT4 is geared more sa ForEx. Now, if I'm trading this, dito ako sa baba. 2-hour time frame, 1-hour time frame, yes, dito pa rin sa baba. So, am I gonna look for shorts? No. Why? Daily time frame is uptrend. So bakit ko papahirapan yung sarili ko for shorting? I'm gonna look for where it reacts. So probably dito sa cluster na to magkakaroon ng drop dyan. Pero I'm more biased into buying EURUSD right now. USDJPY. Ooh. Did that clip that entry? I'm gonna have to look at my account. 133.622. Bitin. It's dropping more though. So we'll see. When I said I'm gonna look into my account, yes, there's a way to trade without looking. Magkakaroon kayo ng entry, and if it works, you're good. If it doesn't, then it doesn't work. Pero there's also a way to trigger capital preservation sa mga trades. If you're losing a trade, you don't have to lose all of your account. You should not. Ang kailangan mong ginagawa is pinapreserve yung buying power mo. Lagi kong minimension or at least na-mention ko madalas si Cardo de Lisay, yes, sa probinsyano. Dapat para tayo si Cardo pagdating sa trading, hindi na uubusan ng bala. Sa mga may idea ng trade na I'm okay risking X amount of money para pag nawala yun, it's fine. No, that's not fine. That's not how trading should be. Pag naglagay ka ng pera into the markets, ang goal is for it to grow. Take out that mentality na okay lang na mawawala yung capital na yun. GBPUSD, let's proceed. Again, I would love for GBPUSD to drop 1.16457 dyan sa area na yan for me to start buying. Otherwise, it's doing the same as Euro. USD, uptrend again. Oh, I don't like that. Gusto ko mag-close to above sana, pero tapos na tong day candle nito eh. So, hopefully it drops. Hopefully it drops because this is not clear for me. I want the markets to be as clear as possible kapag binabasa ko siya. Malabo na nga yung mata ko. I'm wearing glasses. Hindi ko nagugustuhan na magbasa ng mas malabo pa sa pwede ko mabasa. I want it clear. Okay? So, I want it to drop. Meron tayo resistance area dito. I'm not looking to short this market. Again, it's on an uptrend. Bakit ko siya short? It already canceled the downtrend. So, there's strength in buying there. USD Canadian dollar. Yeah, this was last week. Hindi ko siya nilagyan talaga ng trade idea. Pero USD Canadian dollar, what's it doing? Uptrend against this cluster of selling. Did it retrace back already? I think it did. 1.32236, hindi pa. So there's room to drop. I'm okay having a bias here of buying and selling. Why? Sa daily uptrend, meron siyang uptrend. Pero ang uptrend niya, it doesn't get tested until it drops below this orange line. So, right now, current position, hindi siya uptrend. It's actually on a range-bound trading. Meron siyang downtrend na tinry i-form pero it failed. It failed after it broke up above 1.35712 and it closed. So there's actually buying strength in this. Meron siyang mini uptrend. I'm okay taking a stab at this, a mini uptrend. So, trading idea. Hopefully this is not the first, this is not the one and only test. Kasi I would love to get in this. Somewhere around this area. It actually tested this area already. So somewhere around that area or somewhere around this area is the buying potential for me sa 2-hour time frame. I can refine that in a smaller time frame, 15-minute, 30-minute. Pero as far as ForEx goes, you don't want to trade this in a lower time frame kasi like ko sinasabi sa mga members namin, ForEx is a very strong trending market. If it starts going up, it's gonna keep on going up until it breaks. For example, is EURUSD. If I show you that, this EURUSD, ilalagay ko na sa weekly, it started going down May of 2021. And it kept on going down until September of 2022. So it took a year and more for it to start breaking that downtrend. USDJPY, it's the same. Hindi, kung sasabihin niyo sa akin na it's because of inflation, yes, that plays a factor kasi currency to. Pero at the end of the day, sa technical analysis, we can see the data and we can follow that data. Sa mga data scientists, you know that for a fact. If we're looking at anything else, I'm gonna show you some of my items of futures market ng US. If you're interested in buying US stocks, this is a good reference. Nasdaq market. Ano ang Nasdaq? It's an index built with a lot of tech stocks. Ibig sabihin, ang strength ng tech stocks, makikita nyo dito. Technology stocks. Okay? So, Nasdaq is on a downtrend. That's all you need to know. So, downtrend siya, drop siya ng drop. Are you gonna be a buyer of tech stocks? Ano ba yung mga tech na yan? Apple, Microsoft, Google. I think they have Amazon and Tesla in here. There's a lot in here. I think 100 publicly traded stocks. So they're a hedge fund or a fund manager of some sort na nagbibigay ng reference for the market's movements. I would love for this to drop more. Since it's not giving us strength yet, might as well follow the drop, 9,763. Pero if it starts reversing, I'm okay too because I'm actually a buyer ng tech stocks. Sa lower time frame, sa mga 1-hour time frame or 4-hour time frame, I'm accumulating. Bakit? Right now, we're on a bear cycle. Anong problema kapag nagkaroon na ng bull run? Everything's gonna be expensive. So I want to buy low and sell high. So nag-accumulate lang ako na nag-accumulate. It doesn't hurt. Is it money that I'm prepared to lose? No. I'm not prepared to lose that. That's why I have an exit strategy. Pero it doesn't hurt that I also have a target strategy. Like NVIDIA. Okay? NVIDIA, I've already averaged down. Pakita ko sa inyo yung watchlist na yan. NVIDIA, I've already averaged down. At some point, I bought this around 170s and it went to 190. Ano yung target strategy ko? 200. It needs to break past 200 and then I start moving my stop losses. Let's see. Square, actually Delta. Delta, my average is around 30. Okay? It depends kung gaano karami yung position ko. I'm not gonna reveal that. I'm not comfortable revealing that. All right, let's go back to Nasdaq. Again, Nasdaq, it's trying to do an uptrend, pero we'll see. It's about to hit some nasty resistance areas. Ito yan, itong dalawa na yan. And then this. Right. So it's right in the middle. Masakit sa mata ang ranging in the range. Same thing sa S&P 500 until it actually deletes this pivotal high. S&P 500 stocks will be choppy. Will be choppy. S&P 500 would have 500 stocks in them. Kapag ginugal nyo sila kung ano meron sa kanila, you'll see. And then you can start buying those stocks individually or actually buy the index. And they allow that. Dow Jones ang matakas. So Dow Jones Industries. Let's take a look. Dow Jones. Dow Jones stock list. Dow Jones. There we go. And they have percentages. This is nice. Slickcharts.com. Okay, showing us kung ano ang nasa loob ng Dow Jones. Goldman Sachs, nice. So ito yung mga stocks na kapag tinignan nyo, most likely they're climbing. Most of this, hindi ko sinasabing lahat sila. Yes, merong percent changes dyan. Most likely in a day time frame. Pero, if you can see, it's not significant enough. Na natin yung price ng UNH. So, UNH, as of September, it stopped dropping and now it's trying to climb up. Kasi mga hindi nakakaalam nito, that's a bar chart. Okay, so kapag tinignan nyo to, it's climbing higher and higher. It stopped dropping at as of June of 2022 and it's still climbing. UNH is nice. I need to look into that. Next is gold. Actually, I'll stop at gold. Pero ang sinasabi ko sa gold is meron akong nakuhang trade dito and right now, I already closed my position, unfortunately. Pero it's still climbing up. Am I still biased into buying gold? Not really, not at this time. It's about to hit some resistances. I want for it to hit the resistance first and then start buying again. Okay? So I need for it to drop. I'm showing gold kasi may mga kakilala ko na nagtatrade nito with forex pairs. Pero yun. If gold drops, then in the forex pair, if you're trading USD XAU, then that would mean na aangat yun kasi you're shorting gold. If you're trading vice versa, XAU USD, that's gonna go down. Kasi you're buying gold. Sa forex pairs, you're buying the left side and then you're selling the other side. Pero that's what it is. Tingnan natin kung makukuha natin yung XAU. USD XAU. No? Gold? No? So, medyo nahihirapan akong palabasin dito yun sa sa trading view. XAU. Yeah, there you go. Oh. Okay, iba yung chart niya. So XAU, parehas lang sila. I'm looking for this to drop a bit and then I'm gonna see about buying this. Somewhere below this is my preferred entry. If not, I'll be waiting here. Sniper entry. All right. Anyway, that's all I'm gonna show at this time. If you have any questions, again, I'm gonna add the links to the descriptions kung sinong kokontakin, and we do have a free group. So if you're looking into collaborating with traders, with beginner traders, and learning and asking questions, go into our free group and um, do join in some discussions. That's fine. Any questions? Let us know. Hope this guidance helps. Green trades.